Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to your channel. So let's start the video. Our today's topic will be going to be multidimensional. In this video, we will be talking about the trade war between US and China, role of China in growing conflicts, how Chinese diplomats are working out with other nations, and the last, the real thing of our channel, that is speaking ability. Now moving on with the trade war going between US and China, this will be important to know that how this all started, or you can say where this all has been started from. So on moving with that, the root cause of trade war is those coronavirus, as coronavirus was introduced in China and United States is the worst hit country from coronavirus, so it is an absolute cause of trade war between US and China, and this is causing a loss of billions of dollars to both countries. And if you want another reason to possibly, it would be elections coming in United States, so it can be also be a trick to divert the attention of common public from these elections, or we can say to distract them with the feeling of nationalism. Now if we talk about border tensions in 2020, then one name is on the list that you know is China, as in its western part it has increased tensions with India on a territory which had never been disputed, that is Galwan Valley. And in other parts of Ladakh, Union Territory of India captured some villages of Nepal and claimed an undisputed territory of Bhutan, which don't even connect with the land of China. And in western parts of China is increasing its pressure over Taiwan, stops the fishermen of Vietnam from fishing in South China Sea, and also disturbing Japan by claiming an island, and US is now interfering in it and by sending its destroyers to South China Sea, and is increasing activity in South China Sea. Now one cause of the tensions could possibly be the new security law of Hong Kong, as being an autonomous region of China. Hong Kong enjoys the democracy, so by this new security law, China is stabbing the democracy of Hong Kong, which is opposed by countries like USA, Britain, and Australia. And even now, Britain is on going to give citizenship to refugees who moved out of Hong Kong due to new security bill. And the third thing is also possibly that cause of depleting international Chinese relations could be threatening of Australia by China, and we all know how much strong relations does Australia and USA shares with each other. Now we would be talking about the diplomatic relations, diplomats in context to this topic. So starting with that, you should know what is a diplomat. He or she is a person which acts like a messenger for a country to his homeland or his native country. Now, in the above given countries with which China is in conflict, it is seen that diplomats are giving statements against the major political leaders of these countries. And in some countries like Nepal, diplomats from China help to manage the whole government, and also the diplomatic relations of China are increasing with Iran, which obviously do not have good relations with United States. So now here we come with concept of our channel, speaking ability. As being a diplomat, a person should be a good speaker, communicator, and an interpreter. So in overall, or she should have a wonderful speaking ability. In India, they are selected from UPSC exams, which are one of the toughest examinations in the world and falls under the category of Indian Foreign Services. These services only for require the best speakers of the country who should be able to communicate properly, and he or she should be even be a fearless person also, so that they should never run at the time of the tensions between the two countries. So now let's conclude the whole video with the context to our speaking ability. So from here we understand that if we wish to control our relations with other countries, we should require some diplomats, and to be good diplomat, a person should know more one language, be a good speaker. So overall he should have a wonderful speaking ability. So this is able to illustrate that how a good speaking ability can be beneficial in foreign relations of a country also. So like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give your feedback for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.